In today's video, I am going to introduce all the sounds of group 3 together. We will only be doing the sound along with the action. So let's begin. The first sound of group 3 is of letter G. Letter G makes the sound G, G, G. The next sound is of letter O and the sound is O, O, O. The next sound is of letter U. Letter U makes the sound uh, 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 uh. After this comes letter L. Letter L makes the sound The next sound is of letter F. The sound is and sound of letter B is B, B, B. Let's do one more time. G, 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 O, 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 B, B, B.